What's up, everybody? It's Conscious Knowledge, and you're rocking with KKTV, the number one place to be if you want the knowledge that you need to succeed. Now, today we're going to talk about UCCs and the different UCC filings. Well, really, we're just going to hit on the UCC 1 filing today in this particular video. The other ones I will talk about in another video. But a UCC filing is someone putting the public on notice that they have an interest in some assets or assets. You can put a non-UCC in, and that's the private side. I'll talk about that more in another video. A UCC 1 filing can be a third-party creditor filing a UCC 1 against you or your all-caps straw man name, the ens legis, to be more legality, to speak more legalese or more technical terminology. You know, that's kind of patriotic, you know, the straw man, you know. But anyway, that's another story. So UCC 1, when someone files it against you or your assets, they're basically putting a lien on your assets, basically saying that you have to fulfill your debt obligation before you can, you know, move forward in your daily operations. Like if I put a lien on your office, then you can't even use your office until you handle this matter with me. And if you do use your office before, then I can, you know, sue you even more. So anyway, if you put a UCC 1 in against yourself or your assets, well, then you can protect your assets. Say, like most of the people in the conscious world, you know, knows we use a $9 billion lien, and we use that $9 billion lien to say, hey, you can't take me to court because there's a $9 billion copyright lien on my name, and if you use my name without my permission, well, you have to pay this $9 billion lien. So what do you mean I owe you, you know, $100,000? Well, sure, I'll give you $100,000. Give me my $9 billion lien money, or my $9 billion from this lien, you know, and then sure, I'll give you $100,000. Why not? You know. But anyway, no one's gonna actually pay it, so they're not gonna abrogate your rights, and they're not gonna go against the grain. You know what I'm saying? Now, don't get me wrong. There's a lot of treason. You know, there's you know, allegedly we have a treasonous government, but that's another story too, and another topic, another video, because the government is not our government. Anytime a business or anytime a government stoops down to a certain level of business, they are then considered a business. So I'll talk about that in another video. The purpose of this video is what is a UCC 1 filing, and again, it's putting the public on notice that you have a public interest in some assets, whether it's yours or someone else's. And the same thing with the third-party corporations or third-party creditor. If he or she places a lien on your assets or someone's assets, that is a UCC 1 filing. Now, in another video, I will show you and teach you how to do a UCC 1 and a non-UCC 1. Do your initial filing in Washington through the Washington portal, and I'll break that down, like I said, in another video, and I'll show you where to do or I'll tell you where to do your informational filings, along with the different regions you'll file in if your state is not UCC friendly, because all states are not UCC friendly. Therefore, there are other remedies. So I will get to those in another video. Hopefully this helped you understand what the UCC 1 is. If you still have any questions, feel free to you know, comment in the section below. You can hit my email at consciousknowledgetv@gmail.com. And inquire about services. I don't really technically charge for services. I just take donations. Donations are great. You know, I do a lot of studying, and it's not just me. It's a group of us. You know, so I do a lot of studying, and we put in a lot of time and work into getting this information and understanding this information. So, if you're out there and you're one of those people that's just coming into the game, feel free to holler at us. I help. But till next time, guys. KKTV.